Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can save your Monday.com board as a template. So if you think your board is so great that you want to save this as a template and to possibly share it with some friends, or just, yeah, if you want to save it as a template, let's just keep it at saving as a template, then you need to tap on those three dots in the top right corner, as you can see right here. Then tap on it and go to more actions. And here you see save as a template. Tap on it, and as you can see, save YouTube test as a template. Only board owners can edit the template. This can be changed in the permission settings. All account members will be able to find and use this template in the template center. Just tap on save as template, and your board is saved as template. As you can see, it's very easy. You can change the permissions right here, view permission settings, and yeah, it's enterprise to change a lot of the viewing permissions, but you also have editing permissions. Yeah, so you can play around with that and change a lot. So if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing. It means a lot, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.